Moringa is probably something you've come across if you've been researching weight loss ingredients. It contains something called chlorogenic acid, and what that does is it tends to work through the liver, helping to stimulate liver function, which is really important for weight loss, but it also helps to balance blood sugar levels. And that's very important because if you don't have blood sugar level balanced, what you end up with is cravings going up and down and your blood sugar going up and down. What that leads to is maybe you snacking on sugary substances, on sugary foods that you really shouldn't be having that can impact negatively on your weight loss goals. You just have this as you would a tea. You put a teaspoon or two in some water, have it that way, or you can have it in a juice or in a smoothie. Its deep green colour as well is going to help with digestion, and anything that stimulates digestion helps us to stimulate fat loss. Very important to have good functioning digestion if you want to achieve optimum weight loss.